Welcome to Home of Om. Let's work together on how to build a yoga practice. In this video, we'll work with
a 10-minute practice to help you start your day.
If this is your first Home of Om film, why not try one of our other films?
Back bends, triangles, or get yourself in balance. Why not? If you like what we do, subscribe to our channel. It will keep us going. Don't just watch me practice. Go get your yoga mat and we can practice together.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. So come to your yoga mat and let's practice yoga together. In this video we'll work with Anuloma Viloma and Surya Namaskar. So bring the left hand into Chin Mudra, so thumb and index finger together. And the right hand, we're going to use the index finger and middle finger together. Relax the shoulder. Slowly take a deep breath, then exhale all the air and cover the right nostril. You're going to inhale on the left side, then hold the breath for about 16 seconds and exhale on the right side for 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to inhale 2, 3, 4 and hold the breath for about 16 seconds. And exhale on the left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and hold the breath for about 16 seconds. Exhale right, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale right, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold the breath. Allow the mind to relax. Body relaxes. And exhale left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, and 4. Hold the breath. Keep relaxed, body and mind relaxed. And exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 1, 2, 3, and 4, and hold. Stay relaxed. And exhale right, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And slowly inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. And exhale on the left side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. Remain completely relaxed. The eyes are closed. Exhale right, and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Slowly inhale, 2, 3, and 4. Hold the breath. And exhale, left, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Hold the breath. And exhale on the right side, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Inhale, 2, 3, 4, and hold the breath. Mind relaxes between the eyes. Whole body relaxes. Exhale, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then relax both hands to the knees. And take a moment just to feel the breath. Feel the energy completely in balance after Anuloma Viloma, alternate nostril breathing. And then we'll begin to work with Surya Namaskar. So slowly coming to your feet. And bringing the hands together. Inhale, raise the arms above the head. Exhale, come forwards, the hands to the floor. Inhale, right leg back. Hold the breath, left leg. Exhale, drop the knees, the chest and the chin to the floor. Inhale, come up into a cobra. Keep the shoulders relaxed. Exhale, into the downward dog. Inhale, right leg is forward. Exhale, left leg. And with a deep inhale, stretch forward and up and a little back. And exhale, completely relaxed. Work on the left side. Inhale and exhale, hands together. Inhale, stretch the arms up and back. Exhale, coming forwards. Inhale, here the left leg is back. Hold the breath, the right. Exhale slowly, the knees, chest and chin to the floor. Inhale into a cobra. Exhale, the downward dog. Inhale, bring the left leg forwards. Exhale, the right leg. And inhale, coming forwards and up and a little back. And exhale and relax. One more time, right side. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, stretching the arms up. Exhale, coming forwards, bringing the hands to the floor and the right leg goes back. Hold the breath, the left leg. Exhale, drop the knees, chest, chin or forehead. Inhale into the cobra. Exhale, downward dog. Inhale, bring the right leg forwards. Exhale, the left leg. And a deep inhale, stretching forwards, up and a little back. And exhale. Let's work on the left side. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, stretching up and back. Exhale to come forward. With the inhale, the left leg is back. Hold the breath, the right. Exhale, knees, chest, chin sinks. Inhale into the cobra with the shoulders relaxed. Exhale, the downward dog. Inhale, the right leg comes forward. Exhale, the left. And a deep inhale coming forwards and up and a little back. And slowly exhale. And take a moment to feel the breath. Let the heart relax and the lungs relax. Feel your energy for a moment. Feel the meditation of the breath moving in and out of the body. And then we're going to come to the floor for a deep relaxation in Shavasana. So the legs are a little wide. We open out the arms next to the body with the palms facing to the ceiling. And relax in Shavasana, deep relaxation. The whole body relaxes. The chest and the abdomen relaxes. The legs relax, the feet relax, the arms, the elbows, the hands and the fingers relax. All the muscles of the face relax. The eyes, the mouth. The whole body relaxes. We have nothing to do for a couple of minutes. Just feel the breath as it moves in and out of the body. Absolutely no stress. Relax, relax, relax. Then we'll begin to move the body. Stretch the arms over the head, stretch the legs, and come to a seated position, cross-legged. And we'll chant 3 times Om and 3 times Shanti together. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.